everyone, we're going to find the Taylor polynomial of orders 0, 1, 2, and 3 generated by f of x equals sine x at x equal pi divided by 4. So we'll get started and let's go ahead and crank out some derivatives. First, we're just going to write f of pi divided by 4. That's our first term. So we have sine of x, and we're evaluating at x equals pi divided by 4. This is going to equal square root of 2 divided by 2. All right, next, f prime of pi divided by 4. So the derivative of sine is cosine of x. Then we evaluate it at x equals pi divided by 4. And that also equals square root of 2 divided by 2. Now let's do our second derivative and evaluate pi over 4. That's going to be negative sine of x. Evaluate that at x equal pi divided by 4. That gives you negative square root of 2 divided by 2. All right, then our last one, let's look at this one real quick. For this one, remember this is going to be f double prime of pi divided by 4 divided by 2 factorial. So this is really going to equal negative square root of 2, and you multiply 2 times 2, and you're going to get 4. So that's what we're going to put that in when we write it out. Okay, next, f triple prime, or the third derivative of pi divided by 4 equals negative cosine of x, and we're evaluating at x equal pi divided by 4, and that also equals negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Again, when we write this out, remember this is going to be f triple prime of pi divided by 4 divided by 3 factorial, which is 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So we're really going to get negative square root of 2 divided by 12. So let's write out each order and get started with order 0. So p sub 0 of x just equals square root of 2 divided by 2. Now, p sub 1 of x is just going to be your first term plus square root of 2 divided by 2, and then our a is pi divided by 4, so you can do x minus pi divided by 4. Okay, p sub 2 is going to be, now we just keep expanding this. So copy down the first 2. And then we had minus square root of 2 divided by 4. And then you're going to write x minus pi divided by 4, and this is going to be squared. And finally, for the last one, p sub 3 of x, copy all this down. Square root of 2 divided by 2, square root of 2 divided by 2, times x minus pi divided by 4. If you want, you can put parentheses here. And then minus square root of 2 divided by 4 times x minus 4. 4 is pi over 4. So let's put pi divided by 4 squared. And then we had another negative. So this could be minus negative 2 divided by square root of 2 divided by 12. And x minus pi divided by 4 cubed. And that would be it. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.